Introducing the Elverlac Interior Wood Range by Technipaint, a complete, high-performance system designed to protect, enhance, and elevate the beauty of interior wood finishes. Start with Technipaint Universal Stains, specially formulated to penetrate deep into the grain, delivering rich, vibrant color while maintaining the natural texture of the wood. Easy to apply, fast drying, and available in a wide variety of timeless shades. For surfaces that demand durability, choose countertop lacquer 4:1. This tough, solvent-based 2-pack system offers exceptional resistance to heat, moisture, and everyday wear, making it ideal for kitchen counters, worktops, and other high-contact areas. Complete your finish with Apricot Finishing Coat Range, engineered for easy application and quick drying. These pre-catalyzed lacquers deliver a silky smooth, professional-grade result, perfect for furniture and built-ins. Achieve a flawless base with HB Sanding Sealer. Its high build formula fills the grain effectively and sands to a smooth, even surface, ensuring your top coats look better, last longer, and feel perfectly refined. And for an eco-conscious solution without compromise, choose Hydrolac, our water-based lacquer offering low odor, fast drying, and a durable, clear finish that meets today's environmental standards. The Elverlac Interior Wood Range by Technipaint. Advanced coatings, expert finishes, trust in performance. Rely on Elverlac.